Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out 5 best electric hand mixers. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research. I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best electric hand mixer, have the products for you. To find out more information and updated pricing on these handheld mixer, you can check out the links in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, Shardor Electric Handheld Mixers. Shardor 350-watt power advantage electric handheld mixers with 5 stainless steel. Baking with ease, with 5 regular speed and turbo functions, it will meet all of your mixing needs. Turbo functions speed up for each gear. Start at a slow speed and gradually work your way up, effectively reducing splash. Compact storage base keeps everything in one place. Not only will they not be loose to the depths of a drawer, but also it will save space for you. Versatile safe attachments. Electric hand mixer includes 5 stainless steel attachments, 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, and a whisk, perfect for cooking or baking. Easy to clean. The flawless construction will save you time to clean it. You can clean the body with a single damp cloth. All the attachments are dishwasher safe. Fourth product on my list, Oster HeatSoft Hand Mixer. The Oster HeatSoft 270-watt mixer offers 7 speeds for versatility hand mixer machine. This hand mixer softens with heat while mixing, allowing you to bake at a moment's notice, with fluffier results than mixing with non-room temperature ingredients. Softens butter 12x faster by using innovative HeatSoft technology to bring cold butter to room temperature quickly compared to leaving butter out on the counter for 30 minutes. The convenient one-touch beater eject lever lets you remove beaters without getting messy, so they can go straight into the dishwasher. Beaters, dough hooks, and whisk are hand wash only. Comes with a convenient case for storage and portability. This 270-watt mixer offers 7 speeds for versatility, and even gives you an extra burst of power when you need it with a one-touch boost at the touch of a button. The mixer comes equipped with durable full-size beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, so you can tackle a variety of baking projects. Third product on my list, KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid make up to 200 cookies on a full charge. Based on 4 batches of chocolate chip cookies. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers optimal runtime and performance. Battery indicator light signals when it is time to charge the battery. Easy to charge with convenient charger included, which works on all products across the suite. Charge from empty to full in 2 hours or less. With a quick charge of 10 minutes, stir up a cake batter recipe. When following recommended battery maintenance. Designed to stand all on its own, lifting the beaters up and out of the bowl and workspace. 7 speeds to stir, mix, and whip all of your favorite recipes, from slow stir for chunky ingredients, to medium for creaming butter and amp, sugar, and high speed to whip egg whites and heavy creams. Soft start feature brings the beaters up to the selected speed gradually to help prevent ingredients from splattering. Complete your cordless collection with the cordless 5-cup food chopper and variable speed hand blender. Each sold separately. Second product on my list, Braun Anti-Slip Handle Mixer. Braun Electric 350-watt 9-speed lightweight with soft grip kitchen hand mixer. 50% more power, 350 watts of power beats the ingredients in the competition. Wattage and mixing effort compared to leading competitors. Half the mixing effort. Smart Mix technology delivers an inline vertical motor design that shifts the weight of the mixer out of your hand and into the bowl. Mixing effort compared to leading competitors. Quick cleanup. Easy clean design has a completely sealed system, so nothing gets inside the housing, and dishwasher safe parts make cleaning easy. One-handed Vario control. A simple turn of the Vario control speed dial is all it takes to adjust the speed while you mix, and the touch of a button lets you switch between accessories. Attachments for every task. Multi-whisk, both whisk and beater in one, creates volume for light, airy mixtures. The sturdy dough hooks are perfect for homemade bread and pizza. Comfortable control and ergonomic, super soft grip keeps you comfortably in control. First product on my list, Breville Handymake Scraper Hand Mixer. Beater IQ technology. Whether you're whisking cream or kneading dough, the Handymake scraper detects which attachment you're using and automatically recalibrates to the perfect speed. Quiet scraper beaters, no clinging or clanging in your kitchen. The rubber scraper beater maximizes contact with the bowl while minimizing sound, to ensure you incorporate all ingredients for more thorough mixing. 9 speed settings, 9 speeds plus boost to ensure precise speed for your mixing load. Comfortable design. An ergonomic handle creates a natural hand position so mixing never feels like a chore. Compact storage. A detachable storage compartment houses all the attachments and swivel cord so you'll love this mixer even when it's turned off. Accessories, 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, 2 balloon whisks. Construction materials, plastic external housing with chrome accents.